Since AI comes with a host of unknowns, let's dig into some frequently asked questions about AI and product management. The first question is, how can AI enhance product development? First, AI can enhance decision-making in product development. With AI tools, product managers can sort through and extract insights from larger data sets than ever before. This is important for everything from product discovery and roadmap planning to customer retention efforts and innovation. Second, AI enables more automation. With the help of AI, product managers will be able to automate processes like A/B testing, user story creation, and feature tagging, freeing up their time to focus on higher impact initiatives. And third, AI allows for greater personalization in the product experience. Being able to analyze larger amounts of product and user data means product managers will have more ways to personalize the end product experience with tailored content, in-application messaging, and workflows to ensure every user feels like the product was made for them. Next, what kind of team do you need for AI and product management? Your first thought might be that you need a large team of experts in order to bring AI into your product management practices. But that isn't necessarily the case. The type of team you need will largely depend on what you plan to do with AI. For example, if you envision building your own models in-house, you'll need engineers and data scientists with those skill sets and experiences. If you plan to leverage things like generative AI capabilities in existing product management tools, you likely already have the talent you need. Remember, every product manager is now an AI product manager, so I recommend training your entire R&D team to be able to leverage AI in their day-to-day work. Another key question is, what are the best practices for starting to utilize AI as a product manager? It's important to remember that bringing AI into your product management practices doesn't mean doing everything at once. Start by taking stock of the current tools in your tech stack. Which ones have AI capabilities you can start leveraging today? Encourage your teams to test and try out all of the tools available to them. It's also important to create spaces for learning, sharing, and experimentation around AI. An internal hackathon is a great example of this. From there, be sure to define clear objectives from the onset. What specific goals are you trying to achieve with AI? Once you have a handle on how you might use AI initially, be sure to put some processes in place. In the same way that setting up an MPS program or bringing on a new road mapping tool requires processes, so does your work with AI. Start to document who owns what, how work should be passed between teams, and what checks you'll need to put in place. It's also important to ask, what are the ethical considerations for using AI in product management? First, you'll want to think about transparency and accountability. When it comes to building AI-powered features, product managers need to be transparent about the presence of AI in their products so that users know how their data is being used. Similarly, you need to ensure data privacy and security standards are being met, both by outside tools you leverage and any tools you build internally. Another important consideration is around bias mitigation. An AI tool is only as good as the data it's being fed, and algorithms can perpetuate bias that is present in the training data, resulting in discriminatory outcomes. It is important to identify and address bias early on to ensure the decisions and recommendations AI generates are equitable to all users. Next, what type of companies can benefit from leveraging AI in product development? The short answer is every company. Whether you are a high-growth startup, a large enterprise company with digital solutions, or something in between, AI can bolster your product organization's practices, workflows, and outcomes. Product-led companies, those that put the product at the center of everything they do, are especially well equipped to benefit from AI since they have such a strong focus on leveraging data. You'll learn more about AI in the product-led organization in Module 4. You might also be wondering, what should you look for in a product management tool with AI capabilities? First, a tool's AI capabilities should align with your specific product management needs and even your company's goals. Remember, AI is meant to enhance, not replace, what you've already been doing as a product manager. Look for features that make things like data analysis, decision-making, and roadmap prioritization easier. And the more a tool can help automate tedious processes, the better. Second, consider the tool's usability. Ideally, both technical and non-technical team members will be able to leverage and get value out of AI capabilities. Third, you want to ensure any new tool seamlessly integrate with your existing technology stack and workflows. One way to achieve this is by choosing a product management tool or platform with multiple AI capabilities you want to leverage, rather than using multiple tools for different parts of your AI strategy. Finally, always be sure to look into a tool's data privacy and security practices to ensure it's in compliance with and keeps your business in compliance with relevant regulations. Last, what are common challenges when integrating AI into product management practices? The first challenge that comes to mind is the uncertainty around AI. This technology is continuously evolving, and there is a natural pressure to keep up with the latest developments. As you start utilizing AI in product management, it's important to stay on top of industry trends, research, customer expectations, and new tools on the market. This way, you can ensure you're utilizing AI in the best possible ways to drive business outcomes and deliver on the customer needs. Another big challenge is around data quality and availability. AI requires access to high-quality data in order to train models and make predictions and recommendations. Getting data that is clean, relevant, and accurate is not always easy, so it's important for product managers to work closely with data science and security teams to confirm data quality, create governance processes, and address biases. While there are plenty of other AI questions we could walk through, hopefully these helped answer some initial questions that were lingering in your head. The good news is that the rest of this course will build on these topics and dig into other important concepts related to AI and product management.